Hello my friends, my name's Scott. Welcome to our review. Today we're taking a look at Unigear's Snowboard storage bag. I've seen a lot of guys use these for other things more than just your skis, but you know, it's made for the skis. So this is it. What I do want to say right off the bat is it has really nice padding, and as you can see, it is waterproof. So inside, it has this like layer. So this is actually really nice, guys. This is a nice bag. It's fully zippered. It comes fully with a strap for carrying, so you can easily carry it. The strap is adjustable, so you can make it bigger or longer. There is a spot that you can put, you know, your name tag in here. You got two straps on the inside for strapping down so your skis don't go anywhere. Your skis, your snowboard, you know, it's designed for both of that stuff. You also have pockets inside here as well. Overall, it's nice. So as far as size go, I'm 5'9", and you can see here, it comes up to just about pretty close to my chin. Again though, quality is very nice. Look out, do you guys hear how smooth that zipper is? Wow, it's like smooth as butter, my friends, which is a good thing because ain't nobody got time for going like this with your zippers. You also have a front pocket here as well for putting something in. I have seen people put small shoes and boots in here. Now, you know, it depends on the size. If you're like a 12 or 13, might not fit. But you could also put your ski gloves and other stuff in there, accessories in there. It's nice, it's easily foldable. Overall, guys, it's nice, and I will see you on the next review.